want to know more about them, you will have to read the Odyssey.
We are performing a short script titled The Conquest, in which we both act as a mountaineers on top of a mountain. One from Great Britain and one from France. I claim this mountain in the name of England and Her Majesty the Queen.
I claim this mountain in name of France and all her people. In the name of France and all her people, I challenge you to race to the bottom.
Ready, steady, go.
You fool! I claim this mountain and won.
Short story titled Duncan's Dinner. Oh, what a beautiful day! I'm in the market. Wait, am I forgetting something? Oh, I wanted a shoe. Oh, there's the shop.
Oh, customer!
I want a shoe.
Certainly, any particular style?
It must be red with yellow bow at the toe.
A bow at the toe?
Yes, size 6, only the left shoe.
Only the left shoe?
Yes, I have the right one spare at home, but Duncan ate the left, so I need another one.
Duncan, who is that?
My lovely dog, my pet dog, you know.
How would these Italian sandals green with black strip?
Striking, aren't they? Do they come in pairs or singles?
In pairs, of course. Most people have 2 feet.
That's no good. I still have the right one spare at home.
May I make a suggestion, madam? Instead of Duncan's usual meet tonight, why don't you give him the other shoe? Then start again from the scratch.
Brilliant! In that case, I will be a pair and a half of the Italian sandals.
A pair and a half?
What a shoe shop!
Ah, what a customer. Mona Lisa,
Well, I am the model, Mona Lisa, of the greatest artist of all,
the Leonardo da Vinci.
who's busy making the most acclaimed piece of art. I am tired. Must we continue?
Do not move. You must stay still. The slightest difference changes everything.
But I must move. My arms are aching and my neck is so stiff. If I
One day you will be remembered for this.
Why is it that I must stay so still that my hand should be placed thus while not thus?
I grow weary of your gifts.
And I grow weary of your painting. All I will be remembered for is being foolish enough to allow great Da Vinci to make my bones ache and my head heavy from holding it so still.
Stop talking and capturing your smile.
Acting a short script titled Group Chat,
Where we both act as friends outside the school and discussing a phone related issue. Hey Adarsh,
Hi,
who are you texting?
I'm on a group chat with my...
I'll be popular. Let me see.
Get out! We are planning a trip to the cinema on Saturday. We are all going.
Can I come?
No, it's only for a group of friends. You are not on the chat. You have to be invited to join.
It means you're in charge of the group chat. You have been deleted from the group. Looks like the admin has deleted you. Well, you get this for being mean to me.
Did you do it? Because now I see your profile picture.
Pooh boy, you caught me again. You can't do anything.
And we bring you choral recitation. All the worlds are staged, and all the men and women barely praise. They have their exits and their entrances, and one man in his time plays many parts. First, the infant, kneeling and puking in the nurse's arms. In a fair round belly, with a good cape in line, but pantaloon, with spectacles on nose and pouch on side, horns and whistles in his sound. Last scene of all that ends this strange eventful history.